In this video, you learn how to post an Instagram story from your MacBook. So let's get started. I'm using the Chrome browser, so if you want to follow along, please use the Chrome browser. It's the easiest and most simple way to do this. So let's go. First off, when you're on Instagram on the website, you'll have to right-click, then go to the bottom and click on Inspect. So once we're in this screen, you have to click on this little icon. I already selected it, but once you click on it, this bar on the top will appear. What you'll have to do then is click here, and you have to select a phone in this menu. So we'll go with the iPhone 12 Pro. So once we're here, there is a very important step. You have to refresh the page on the top left. So click on refresh. And once we refresh the page, you will see that there is an option to upload a story. So let's click on this. So once we're here, it is possible to upload an Instagram story. So let's go with our logo, click on open. Once we're in this screen, you have to go to the bottom and click on add to your story. It's uploading right now. And there you go. On the bottom, it says your photo was added. So let's refresh this page and see if it actually worked. And here you go, you'll see on the top left that right now an Instagram story was uploaded. So if you want to upload a video from your MacBook, that's not possible. It's not possible to upload videos with this method. It's only possible to upload photos from your MacBook to Instagram. With that being said, I hope this video helped you out. If this helped you out, please consider subscribing and leaving a like.